Hi, this is Sybil with Soul & Skin Fitness Studio. I'm here today to talk to you about bust cream, also known as neck and chest cream or décolleté cream. So why is neck cream and décolleté cream important? So the reason primarily is because this section of the skin is very different than this section of the skin. Also, this section of the skin is holding up all of this area, right? Your face has a lot more pores. It has therefore a lot more density and ability to pull in product. It also repairs much faster. Once kind of this area starts to droop and sag, this area starts to droop and sag and get damaged, it can't repair as easily. So we really want to make sure that we're taking good care of this area as well as the back of the neck. So when we say neck, we are actually talking about this whole area. So creams that are designed specifically for the chest and neck and décolleté are actually designed to go into this area and take good care of it. They are designed to be higher power and have lovely anti-aging ingredients. They're also designed to be a little bit thicker and heavier than what you'd be putting on your face. There is absolutely nothing wrong with taking your stuff from here and moving it down. I do all the time. But I do actually like to use a specialty cream for this area. There are a couple of products that I sell that I actually are designed for the face that I actually like to use for the neck and chest or décolleté area. Right now, one of the ones that I'm really loving is one called Pomegranate Lifting Cream by Rococo. This is going to be on sale. This is, just so you know, this is May 2016 right now. So this can be on sale next month, June 2016. I'm going to be launching this video very soon. Just in case anybody is watching this in the past. So I'm going to be using this one. This is one of my favorite new products that I like to use. It has a bunch of excellent ingredients. One of my favorite ones being snail filtrate, as well as omega-3 and 6 and 9 in it. It has a bunch of collagen boosting ingredients as well as lipids in it. So you don't need very much product for this one. Certain products you will need a bunch more, but this one is nice and thick and rich. It is also okay, why I like this one, it's also okay for acneic clients to get up close to this area without breaking them out. I tend to be a little bit acneic, so anything that I get up here I have to be really careful it's not going to move to my jawline and break me out. So there is a very specific way we like to apply chest, neck, and bust creams, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on our fingers like this. We are going to sweep down our neck, across our bust. We're going to come down across the back of our neck, back across through here, okay? Coming down, okay? Sweeping back up. All right, couple sweeps up. Coming back over and up and down and up and down, up and down, and then across. All right. Now, I like to do this in one big fast motion because, like, trained professional and stuff, this is what I do for a living. Right. But I'm going to do that again real slow. Okay. Slow motion. Across. 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 All right, so we're sweeping all the way down. Okay, catch the valley, top of the breast. Okay, swoop it down and across, down and across. Now, while we're doing this, is we're taking that lymph node, and we're not pushing hard. We're taking that lymph node, and we're draining that lymph node. Taking that lymph, and we're draining it. Okay. Then we're going to come through the back, and we're going to come across, and we're going to go ahead and touch that lymph again, and we're going to come and swipe it through, and we're going to touch that lymph again from this side, and drain it through. Hopefully I catch that on both sides. Hopefully I catch that on both sides. Drain it through, and drain it through. All right. And then we're going to, these are lymphs right here as well, we're going to bring it back down. We're going to bring ourselves back up, come back up. We're bringing everything up, right? So we're taking all of that product up our neck, right? Up our neck. We're then bringing it back down, all right? So you can do these in very small sweeps. You can do them in pieces. The important thing is that you're trying to get the lymph down. You're trying to get the lymph down. So it's across, up, back, down, up, across. Something like that. All right, guys, that is Décolleté cream. Huzzah. All right. That's Sybil with Soul and Skin Fitness Studio, teaching you a little bit about neck and chest cream. I do have 7 different neck creams in stock. That's just my favorite one that I'm using right now. All right, bye guys. Have a good one.